How to get all values from Python enum class. I'm using enum4 library to create an enum class as follows. I want to print 1 and 2 as a list somewhere. How can I achieve this?
You can use enum to get list of the ints.
You can do the following.
To use enum with any type of value, try this. Updated with some improvements, thanks at Jeff, by your tip. As result,
based on the answer by Jeff, refactor to use a class method so that you can reuse the same code for any of your enums. Produces